Hi everyone, this is Amir from Mr. Amir. So today I'm going to show you the unboxing of Note 20 Ultra 5G. I just bought it on 6 August as a pre-order. So I get it on 19. They ship it to me on 17, so I got it after 2 days. So thanks to Samsung and FedEx, they make it deliver before the expected date, 21 August. So let's further not wait anymore. So just see the box first. So you can see I got the mystic prawn color. So you can also tell it by looking at the box front. I got the pan mystic prawn. So this is the US version, Snapdragon 1. So there's the model number, and that's the back of the box. I fully opened the box to check it's all okay or no, so you can just read it. Then there's some more information on the bottom. Then on the side they have written it Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G. On the top you will get as well as some scanning tools. So for the ado, let's open the box and see. So first you will get your phone of the box. You will get some manuals of the phone. This time of year we don't have any case or anything. You can just look at it first. So let us open it. So as you can see, we just have some manuals and that's it. Some manuals moment. That's the introduction to Galaxy Note 25G and some referral guide. And we got a SIM injector tool with it. And we got some term and condition. So let's put this on the side and put the head of the box on the side, and let's see the phone itself. So that's the phone, the Mystic Prawn. So I've already set it up and make it on. So you can see it is like this. So I can just restart the phone for you guys. So I've just restarted for you guys. We can see we just got a catalog, or what can you say, a piece of box. We just got and supercharger. So it supports, like, I don't know how much ampere they supported, but it's from USB-C to USB-C. So let's see the rest of the box and items. This is funny, they have just given it an empty box of small things. Maybe they forget to put pin, because some nowadays you can just imagine what they are doing. So the most funny part is there's no AKG headphones with it. There's only USB-C to USB-C cable. So we can just put everything inside of it, so we can just focus on just part of the phone. So me coming from S10 Plus and not this time of phone, I skipped the S20 Ultra. I bought the Note 20 Ultra. So this is a part of another video, and further ado, we will unbox the Samsung Buds Life on the next video. So stay tuned and support. And we just got us a Samsung Clear flap cover. So antimicrobial cover protection. So we can just have a look at it after we are done. We will do a proper video for it as well.